Hey, Chef Archie S&Q here. Guess what we about to do here? Salmon belly. Something y'all really can't get. I mean, put it that way. I get to go to a chef store, a restaurant store where they basically, sell food to the restaurants. So that's where you can get salmon belly at. I don't know where you're going to find it. But guess what? This is slamming. Hot pan, a little bit of olive oil because the fat comes from the belly itself, and sear on each side. I did the fat side first, and it just turns just tender. I mean, just GBD, golden brown, delicious immediately. You do not have to cook it long, but if you do, it doesn't really matter because of the amount of fat that is in that meat. It's like, what do I want to say? It's like Wagyu fish.